Hello everyone, today is December 21st, 2019, and I thought I would try to test my Powerfilm 60 watt solar panel. And you can see I don't have it angled any particular way other than kind of strapped from my garage. And you can kind of see, I don't know, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun's kind of in a down position, but it's at a nice angle where it's kind of hitting the solar panels. And I was kind of curious to see what kind of wattage I would get out of it, so I kind of hooked everything up real quick. And I got the Xantrex 1800 watt inverter going into a 12 volt battery, and I got that hooked up to my TriStar MPPT 60 controller. And you can see we are pulling, hopefully you can see that, it's kind of dark, but we are pulling 47 watts at 4.1 amps and 11.7 volts at the battery, because we do have a work lamp hooked up, which is about, give or take, 400 watts. So we are taking a nice drain out of that battery. And I wanted to make sure that this controller was in MPPT mode, which is kind of considered bulk mode, which means it's putting all its energy into from the panel into the controller, and then from the controller into the battery. So again, it's not an optimal situation where it's hanging in the ideal angle towards the sun, but it just goes to illustrate that this panel is putting out a very nice wattage, considering its maximum is 60 watts, and we're pulling nearly close to 50 watts out of it. So just wanted to do a quick update on that panel to see what it would produce, and somewhat impressed considering the angle of the panel and the relationship to the sun in the sky at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, this is a Powerfilm 60 watt panel, very durable, very pliable, and these things, really, you can mount them any which way you can. I bought some carabiners, one here, put one on each angle, and I've got 5 of these panels, so I can kind of connect them together, mount them with bungee cords, mount them with springs, mount them with string, rope, you name it. Can lay it over the top of the truck, car, lay it on top of the bed of the truck. Really, you can just put these panels however and whatever configuration I want to put them in to kind of get a maximum angle to the sun if I chose to. But again, I don't know that I really have to. As you can see right here, it's just hanging there, and I'm getting 47. What I will do, just out of curiosity, since I have it, is I'm just going to unhook it and lay it down flat. Okay, so this is really flat on the ground now, just to get a comparison. So see where we sit with that, and wow, look at the difference. It's quite amazing, isn't it? So we're at 17 watts right now. Hopefully you can see that. So what did we lose? 30 watts just by laying it out flat, as opposed to how I had it hooked up there. So it's a great illustration to me here of the angle of your solar panels to the relationship in the sun, of the sun in the sky, really makes a difference. We just went from we went from hanging it, which gave us 47, to laying it flat out, which gave us 17. It's a huge difference. Just want to make sure it's still at 17 and nothing changed. So there you have it.